Okay, so things you will need is some type of spatula, needs to be metal, and then your lipstick container that you're gonna put the lipsticks into. I ordered mine off of a professional website. Obviously you need all the lipsticks that you want to depot, and then a metal plate, that way you can cut up the lipstick onto it. It's important that they're metal, the spatula and the plate, just so that it doesn't absorb any of the product, because then you'd be wasting it and you wouldn't get all of it. So here I'm just gonna slice. Let me tell you, this was so satisfying. So I'm just gonna slice the top off, and then I just take my spatula and dig into it and get the rest of it. I really wanted to make sure I got all of it, or as much as I could at least, out of that, just because, I mean, you spend the money on it, so you want to make sure you get all of it. So I'm just going to continue to do that. I go through all of my lipsticks, put them in there. My lipstick holder does hold 16, I believe, but I do have some left. As you'll see in the end, I do have spaces left still. So whenever I get new ones that I want to put in there, I have some room. I will leave my links to all the stuff that I purchased in the description box, just in case you'd like to purchase the exact ones that I got. And then just a little step before moving on to the next lipstick, I just use any kind of makeup wipe to clean my spatula and metal plate off. I do also, in between lipsticks, clean off the edges of the color that I just put on inside the little rectangle that they're in, just so that the edges don't mix with each other. I don't want the lipsticks transferring onto each other and kind of making their own shade. So, I mean, you don't have to do that, and if you're more neat than I was applying them into there, then you won't need to do that step, but I just wanted them nice and clean so that they don't mix together. Alright, so here is my finished product. All the ones that I have in my kit are now in this little container. It's such a good idea if you have a small kit or even a big one. It just saves space, to add more stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That is it for me. I will see you on my next video. And yeah, see you in my next video.